Plugmaster Industrial Company Limited is located in the northeast of Taiwan, surrounded by the mountains and facing the ocean. It only takes 45 minutes from Taipei to Yilan via Shuishan Tunnel. PMC, originally founded in Taipei in 1983. The Yilan factory was built in 1997, professionally manufacturing modular plugs for networking and telephone cables. In 2001, the Dongguan factory in China was established for domestic sales and exporting, OEM and ODM, and continuously expanding production capacity and developing new products, with more than 1,500 items from Cat 5e to Cat 8 currently. A bright and tidy producing environment, fully automated production equipment, with central material supplying system, recycling and crushing automatically to reduce environmental pollution. New injection molding machines, which are made in Japan, are highly efficient in production and low on defect rates, with 10-gene PC materials, which meets UL certification to make sure the durabilities, bending resistance, and flammability in connectors, and physics specialty in the products. Plug molds made in Taiwan are longer in service life, excellent quality, and of higher durability, outstanding polishing skills, and the best product transparency. The self-developing high-speed terminal embedding machine leads the whole industry in efficiency. The special design patent ensures more stability throughout the production. The embedding machine with reformed CCD auto-examination system prevents defects such as terminals being missing, not positioned, or misaligned, reduces man-made errors, and elevates the efficiency of quality control. The engineering department operates with the latest Fluke DSX 8000 cable analyzer, qualified for Cat 8 channel test standards. Self-set PoE examining environment includes mechanical operations with electrical load, voltage resistance of contact and insulation of resistance test, pressuring and pulling strength of connectors, and microscope with precise image tools for measuring the finished products throughout the production process and photo filing. The X-ray membrane thickness detector from the Quality Control Department inspects all materials coming in and going out with strict standards, ensuring all thickness of gold plating and nickel plating meet the requirements, establishing custom-made wrapping manuals to ensure all wrapping processes are correct. High-class exterior examination devices were developed for specific customers to reach the highest quality by examining automatically for stains, scratches, burrs, bubbles, unsaturations, and disfigurations, among others. For customer-requested specific wrapping requirements, the automated assembling device was reformed to complete from embedding to wrapping in one run. Both Plugmaster factories in Taiwan and China obtained ISO 9001 certification, while eco-friendly materials meet RoHS and REACH standards, with certifications of FCC and UL, Cat 8 Plug GHMT and ETL, and Cat 6A 4 PPOE Force certifications. We obtained patents for selective plating in pre-embedding and cross-splitter, also for pass-through hand tools. Besides PC materials, nylon materials are also provided, including short body, long body, foolproof, pull-proof plug, and gold-plated copper shell. Plugs for larger wire diameter options from Cat 6A 23 gauge to Cat 8 22 gauge, or thinner wires from 28 to 36 gauge. Also boots, dust cover, pass-through tool, and short body tool were presented in recent years. Our product lines are continuously expanding. With abundant experience of manufacturing and developing throughout the years of PMC, professional engineering and abilities of developing, and flexible cooperation of lead time, it enables the certainties for recommending the most suitable products based on various cable specifications and performance in the shortest time. We are looking forward to fruitful collaboration with you.